Hey guys, it's Tony here. I did want to talk a little bit about MORF stock because I got a couple people asking about this particular stock, and just I want to make a really quick TA just on this to like let you guys know exactly what's going on because it jumped. I don't know the exact news on what happened with MORF today, but it did jump like a full 100%, which is absolutely it's pretty odd, right? Like I don't know why it would jump that much. And if you guys have any idea why, please let me know on in the what is it called? Please let me know in the comment section below. But it did a pretty good. I mean, it did a pretty solid jump. I mean, just letting you guys see here, it did a solid. It did an almost 200% jump from yesterday's lows of $33 to basically like now. Do I think it's still a good time to buy in? I don't know, man. It doesn't seem like it's gonna stop. Just looking at TA right now, it doesn't seem like it's gonna be stopping fully. I think even right now, there's no real. I mean, if I have to, I'll set in a couple, price zones for you guys, just because I know a lot of people wanted to trade this. I personally wouldn't trade it just because I'm an RKT. I really don't want to trade anything else apart from that. But pretty big zones that I can possibly see right now. Just on this last, like on today's trading day, right? It does look like on the hour chart, it looks like we are creating tops. So if I had to do something right now for this MORF stock, I'd definitely probably buy puts. Just looking at strictly just looking at TA. I don't know, man. We have to see how. I guess we kind of have to gauge, because I mean, if you guys look at the stochastic, it's been creating tops since when was this? February 26th, which was a couple of days ago. It looks like it's been creating tops. So there is no reason actually to maybe short this. It really just depends on how strong the momentum towards the upside is. So I'll probably look at to see if the MACD bounces off or creates some lows. But it does look like right now, it retested downwards on the $82 level, and it's kind of staying. It looks like it's going to be trading flat around here, and it might jump back up to the upside. Would I get in on this play? No, it's definitely too risky. There's a huge gap between, what is it, $43 and $36 and a half. I don't think I would trade this at all, 100%, like not even close to trading this, right? I think it's super risky. I don't think it's worth it at all. Let me see if I can make this a little bit bigger and clearer. There's a pretty clear gap between $36 and $46, which is huge, right? You guys know that I hate trading any ticker that has a gap on the bottom end. So I'm a big believer on gaps always get filled, and it looks like right here, it definitely looks like, eventually it's probably going to head back down to this $38 level in this area in between. Would I buy this right now? 100% no. I wouldn't get on it. I think it's too risky. If you guys want to trade this, that's completely up to you guys. It did do almost 200% gain from yesterday, or a couple from Friday, I think, from Friday's lows to right now. Or when was this? The 26th, which was, I think it was Friday, right? I think the 26th was actually Friday. I'm on my computer right now, so let me actually check. It was Friday. So from Friday's lows to now, it did almost a 200% gain. Would I trade right now? I don't think so. I think it's a little risky, at least on my end, right? I might buy like $100 of it just to kind of test it out. I think it might. I do think as of right now, how it looks, there's a lot of momentum towards the upside. And it didn't actually break this $82 range towards the bottom, right? It actually closed up top. So there's a big chance that it might just kind of trade sideways like this and then shoot up again, to be honest. It does look like that might happen again, but would I trade this? I don't think so. I'm personally going to stay out of this, but it does look like it's going to keep continuing up. I mean, just for the hell of it, we can throw some fibs on there to see what the potential of actually what the next run up can be, or where it can actually go, right? So we'll do previous lows, and we'll do where we actually close today. Let me see. Whoops. Give me a quick second. I actually added them wrong, guys. Sorry about that. Fibs. So we'll do from highs, which was actually today, and we'll go to previous relative low, right, which is right there. Yeah, and it looks like you're basically testing it almost perfectly, right? Like you're testing it almost perfectly right here. Yeah, man. I don't know. I think the next possible price point for this stock, if it keeps going up, is going to be around the $128 area. But you would have to break this trend line right here. You would have to break this trend line on the downward side, which is, it does look like it's not. It just started, right? So if it breaks towards the upside anywhere, like if we break towards the upside above, you know, above 90, like $91, and it stays up here $91, I do think the next step will probably be more towards $128, right? But that's only if we break towards the upside, maybe this week. If you guys see this ticker trading above in this level up here, like in this blue area, then 100% I do think we're gonna hit $130. I still wouldn't get into this just because you guys, we do have this gap down here, and you guys, I'm a big believer of gaps always get filled. So 100% I do think this is gonna get filled eventually. It doesn't mean that it's gonna get filled tomorrow or the next day or even a month from now, but eventually this gap will get filled again. And just on that, I'm gonna stay away from it. But there's your TA for the MORF stock. I'll see you guys later. Have a good night. If you guys have any tickers that you guys would like me to look into, definitely leave a comment below, or let me know on my TikTok, let me know on my YouTube, and then we'll kind of go from there. I'll see you later, guys. Good night.